Hi friends, welcome back to the Little Red Cottages. It's kind of a gloomy day, it's damp and it's been snowing off and on, so it's the perfect day to head over to the kitchen and do some baking. Today I'm going to be making one of my family's all-time favorites, old-fashioned spice cookies. So let's go check out the kitchen and get started. I love this space, but because I plan to do some structural renovation in the spring, I wanted to keep everything as simple as possible. As you can see, I'm a big fan of storing pantry items in glass jars. It keeps the food fresh, and I can see what I have and what I need to refill, and should a little critter come in, it definitely keeps things mouse-proof. I've been making these cookies for many years, and every year I get requests for the recipe, so I'll leave that in the description. I was given this recipe from a friend whose family had passed it down for many generations. The original calls for lard, but I've always used vegetable shortening. I won't say that they're healthy, but for my family, they are comfort food. They're crunchy, spicy, and sweet. They pack and store nicely, and they are super easy to make. But most importantly, they taste and smell like Christmas. I've been thinking about family traditions lately and how they've been disrupted this year. Traditions are like little waypoints in time, like baking a special cookie. It's layered in sensations. The aroma and taste is specific to the season. As if I were to encounter its essence at any time, it would bring me to this memory. Past years have been joy-filled baking these treats with my family, and I look with hope to the future when we can do it again. However you honor your traditions this season, I wish you peace and bright blessings.